Guys, so today is our second day. So, kaka-breakfast lang namin kanina dito sa aming accommodation. And hindi ko pa pala nasabi na dito kami nagstay sa Luis Bay. So, malapit lang siya guys sa center ng town, tsaka laking area for island hopping. Yung accommodation namin guys, included na siya dun sa package na na-avail namin. Yung binayaran namin is 5,200 per person. Tapos for 4 days, 3 nights na yan siya.
Free airport transfers.
Ayun, free airport transfers, tsaka yung mga island hopping. Tapos may free lunch na din for 2 days.
Yes, and free complimentary breakfast.
And free breakfast. Derby ngayon guys, so pupuntahan namin yung Twin Lagoon, yung Barracuda Lake. Yun. So yun guys, update namin kayo later. So we're going to Barracuda Lake. Almost here na. Guys, naghahanap pa rin kami ng Barracuda. Medyo crowded na ngayon kasi late na kami nakaalis kanina. So, tinawag siyang Barracuda Lake guys kasi may Barracuda daw dito. Ito yung Barracuda oh.
Ito po yung Barracuda. Nakuha ko na po. At ang mukha ng aming team.
We are here sa Smith Beach for lunch. Ganda ng water. Ito sa water.
Ano yan?
Smith Beach. Guys, ang ganda din ng beach dito sa Smith. Ganda ng tubig. So clear. Ah, yan sa MM. Yan sa yan. Yan, sarap magtampisaw dito. Guys, we're going to our third destination. The shipwreck. So, malapit lang daw from the Smith Beach. Entrance to Twin Lagoon. Oh. Yeah. How's your day? Last stop for Tour B. Guys, ito na yung entrance. So guys, eto nakapasok na kami dito sa Twin Lagoon. So, kanina may maliit lang na parang lagusan. So, ito siya. Ang ganda. Ayun. Sabot na. Ay, Coron. We had a really good time. Hi guys! So we're here na at Mactan, Cebu
Day
International
4 is
Airport.
last day. Day 4 is going home day. Day
Yeah.
4 is Sepang's day. Day 4 is back to reality day. Day 4 is I don't like day 4.
So guys, pauwi na kami. Pauwi na kami ng Bacolod.
Naghihintay pa kami ng aming flight. So, time check, it's 6:36. Yung flight namin is 9:30 p.m. pa.
Kanina pa kami dito guys kasi yung Coron to Cebu namin is kaninang umaga. So, tumambay na lang kami dito sa
Nauna siya.
airport.
Una siyang dumating sa Cebu. Ako kanina 3:30.
So yun guys, sobrang ganda ng Coron. So, super worth it. As in.
Puntahan niyo, guys.
Yeah, napaka-enchanting ng place. Yun guys, I hope you enjoyed our vlog. You enjoyed our 4 days stay in Coron. Please support our channel pa din by subscribing and liking. And see you on our next travel guys. This is Sam Angel.